Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's gaining more attention than ever: the pros and cons of vegetarian diet nutrition. Whether you're a long-time vegetarian, considering making the switch, or simply curious about the lifestyle, this video is designed to provide you with a comprehensive overview of what a vegetarian diet entails. We'll start by exploring the numerous benefits that come with adopting a vegetarian diet. From improved heart health to weight management and even environmental impacts, there's a lot to love about plant-based eating. You might be surprised to learn how a vegetarian diet can lead to increased energy levels and better digestion, among other perks. However, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. We'll also discuss the challenges and potential downsides of vegetarian nutrition. It's essential to be aware of the nutrients that might be lacking in a plant-based diet, such as protein, iron, and vitamin B12. We'll provide tips on how to ensure you're getting all the essential nutrients your body needs while enjoying a vegetarian lifestyle. Throughout this video, we aim to keep things engaging and informative. We want you to walk away with a balanced understanding of both the advantages and the hurdles of vegetarianism. By the end, you'll have a clearer picture of whether this dietary choice aligns with your health goals and lifestyle. So, if you're ready to uncover the benefits and challenges of a vegetarian diet, stick around. We promise it'll be an enlightening journey that will help you make informed decisions about your nutrition. Let's get started. Pros of a vegetarian diet. Adopting a vegetarian diet comes with a myriad of health benefits that can significantly enhance your overall well-being. One of the most compelling reasons to consider this lifestyle change is the lower risk of chronic diseases. Numerous studies have shown that vegetarians tend to have a reduced risk of heart disease. This is largely attributed to lower levels of saturated fat and cholesterol found in plant-based foods, which contribute to healthier blood pressure and cholesterol levels. Additionally, a vegetarian diet is often linked to a lower body mass index, BMI, which means a decreased risk of obesity. This is crucial, as obesity is a major risk factor for various health issues, including diabetes and certain types of cancer. Another significant advantage of a vegetarian diet is its positive impact on digestive health. Plant-based diets are typically rich in fiber, which is essential for maintaining a healthy digestive system. Increased fiber intake can help prevent constipation, promote regular bowel movements, and even reduce the risk of developing gastrointestinal disorders. Moreover, a fiber-rich diet can contribute to a feeling of fullness, which may help with weight management. Beyond personal health, adopting a vegetarian diet also has profound environmental benefits. Reducing meat consumption can significantly lower your carbon footprint, as livestock farming is a major contributor to greenhouse gas emissions. By choosing plant-based foods, you're not only making a healthier choice for yourself, but also contributing to a more sustainable planet. This shift can lead to decreased deforestation, reduced water usage, and less pollution, making it a win-win for both your health and the environment. In summary, the health benefits of a vegetarian diet are compelling, from lowering the risk of chronic diseases to improving digestive health and supporting environmental sustainability. Embracing this lifestyle can lead to a healthier you and a healthier planet. Cons of a vegetarian diet. While a vegetarian diet offers numerous health benefits, it's essential to acknowledge the potential drawbacks and challenges that come with this lifestyle choice. One of the most significant concerns is the risk of nutritional deficiencies. Certain nutrients, such as vitamin B12 and iron, are primarily found in animal products. Vitamin B12 is crucial for nerve function and the production of red blood cells, and a deficiency can lead to anemia and neurological issues. Similarly, iron, which is vital for transporting oxygen in the blood, can be harder to absorb from plant sources. Vegetarians need to be mindful of these nutrients and consider fortified foods or supplements to ensure they meet their dietary needs. Another common misconception surrounding vegetarian diets is the adequacy of protein intake. Many people believe that it's challenging to get enough protein without consuming meat. However, with proper planning, vegetarians can easily meet their protein requirements through a variety of plant-based sources such as legumes, nuts, seeds, and whole grains. It's important to combine different protein sources to ensure you're getting all the essential amino acids your body needs. Additionally, if a vegetarian diet is not well planned, there's a risk of developing unhealthy eating habits. Some individuals may rely heavily on processed vegetarian foods, which can be high in sugars, unhealthy fats, and sodium. This can lead to weight gain and other health issues, counteracting the benefits of a plant-based diet. It's crucial to focus on whole, nutrient-dense foods to maintain a balanced diet. In conclusion, while a vegetarian diet can be incredibly rewarding, it's important to be aware of the potential challenges. By understanding common nutritional deficiencies, addressing protein intake misconceptions, and planning meals carefully, you can navigate these drawbacks and enjoy the benefits of a vegetarian lifestyle. Common misconceptions. When it comes to vegetarian diets, there are several misconceptions that can deter people from exploring this lifestyle. One of the most prevalent myths is that vegetarians cannot get enough protein without consuming meat. In reality, a well-planned vegetarian diet can provide ample protein through a variety of sources. Foods such as legumes, lentils, chickpeas, quinoa, nuts, seeds, and dairy products for lacto-vegetarians are all excellent sources of protein. By incorporating a diverse range of these foods into their meals, vegetarians can easily meet their protein needs without any issues. Another common misconception is that vegetarian diets are inherently unhealthy or lacking in essential nutrients. While it's true that poorly planned vegetarian diets can lead to deficiencies, the same can be said for any diet, including omnivorous ones. A balanced vegetarian diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and healthy fats can provide all the necessary nutrients for optimal health. In fact, many studies suggest that vegetarians often have lower cholesterol levels, healthier blood pressure, and a reduced risk of chronic diseases compared to their meat-eating counterparts. Additionally, some people believe that vegetarianism is a rigid lifestyle with no room for flexibility. This couldn't be further from the truth. Vegetarian diets can be tailored to fit individual preferences, health needs, and lifestyles. Whether you choose to be a lacto-vegetarian, ovo-vegetarian, or even a flexitarian who occasionally includes meat, there's no one-size-fits-all approach. This flexibility allows individuals to enjoy a wide variety of foods while still adhering to their dietary choices. In summary, debunking these common misconceptions about vegetarian diets is crucial for fostering a better understanding of this lifestyle. With sufficient protein sources, the potential for a nutrient-rich diet, and the flexibility to adapt to personal needs, vegetarianism can be a healthy and enjoyable choice for many. Tips for a healthier vegetarian diet. Transitioning to a vegetarian diet can be a rewarding journey, but it's essential to approach it with a plan to ensure you're getting all the nutrients your body needs. One of the best ways to achieve a balanced vegetarian diet is by including a wide variety of fruits, vegetables, and whole grains in your meals. Aim to fill your plate with colorful produce, as different fruits and vegetables provide unique vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Whole grains like quinoa, brown rice, and whole wheat bread are excellent sources of fiber and essential nutrients, helping to keep you full and satisfied. Meal planning is another crucial aspect of maintaining a healthy vegetarian diet. By planning your meals ahead of time, you can ensure that you're incorporating a diverse range of foods that meet your nutritional needs. Consider creating a weekly menu that includes a mix of protein sources, such as beans, lentils, tofu, and nuts, along with plenty of vegetables and whole grains. This not only helps you stay organized, but also reduces the temptation to rely on processed vegetarian options that may be less nutritious. Additionally, it's wise to consult with a healthcare provider or nutritionist, especially if you're new to vegetarianism or have specific health concerns. A professional can provide personalized guidance tailored to your individual needs, helping you identify any potential nutrient gaps and suggesting appropriate supplements if necessary. They can also assist you in creating a balanced meal plan that aligns with your lifestyle and dietary preferences. In summary, incorporating a balanced vegetarian diet involves embracing a variety of fruits, vegetables, and whole grains, planning meals thoughtfully, and seeking professional advice when needed. By following these tips, you can enjoy the many benefits of vegetarianism while ensuring your nutritional needs are met. Happy eating! As we wrap up our discussion on the pros and cons of a vegetarian diet, it's important to recap the key points we've covered. We explored the numerous benefits of adopting a vegetarian lifestyle, including lower risks of heart disease, improved digestive health, and the positive impact on the environment. However, we also addressed the challenges that come with this dietary choice, such as potential nutritional deficiencies and the need for careful meal planning. Understanding both sides is crucial for anyone considering this lifestyle change. Informed dietary choices are essential for achieving optimal health. By being aware of the nutrients that may be lacking in a vegetarian diet, such as vitamin B12 and iron, you can take proactive steps to ensure you're meeting your nutritional needs. Remember, a balanced vegetarian diet can be both delicious and nutritious, but it requires some planning and knowledge to get it right. We hope this video has provided you with valuable insights into the vegetarian lifestyle and has encouraged you to think critically about your own dietary choices. Whether you're a seasoned vegetarian or just starting to explore plant-based eating, the key is to stay informed and make choices that align with your health goals and values. If you found this video helpful, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel for more content on nutrition, health, and wellness. Don't forget to like this video and share it with friends or family who might be interested in learning more about vegetarian diets. Your engagement helps us create more informative content and reach a wider audience. Thank you for joining us today, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.